Hello viewers. Creating a Gmail account has become increasingly challenging nowadays. Whenever you attempt to create an account, you're likely to encounter phone verification issues. Notably, Google doesn't provide an option to enter a phone number for verification, as it now exclusively uses the number associated with the device. If you prefer using a virtual number for verification, the Edge browser is required. As you're aware, conventional methods, including most VPNs used for bypassing phone verification, are no longer effective. However, in today's video, we'll demonstrate how a specialized VPN can still facilitate the process. This method is 100% functional as of 2026 and allows for the creation of 8 to 10 Gmail accounts without phone verification. Viewers, you're witnessing a phone verification issue while creating a Gmail account. We'll utilize Quark VPN to resolve this issue. The best part is that Quark VPN is available on the Play Store and is completely free to use. After downloading and installing it, connect to a server as shown in the video. The VPN has been connected. Now, we'll attempt to create a Gmail account in front of you using the Gmail app, though Google Chrome, Play Store, UC Browser, or other apps can also be used. Viewers, the Gmail account has been successfully created without phone verification or any issues. Additionally, this VPN eliminates the need to remove existing Gmail accounts from your device as demonstrated. That's all, viewers. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.